All right, viewers, now let's move ahead to the other story. The crackdown against the terrorists, Pakistan-sponsored terrorism, continues in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. And remember, in Doda, 3 Pakistani terrorists have been gunned down. The manhunt is continuing to eliminate others in and around the Doda area. And these terrorists are hiding, and as usual, India fighting against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. Samiksha.
Well, absolutely, Shivangi, and adding to that, in Doda specifically, 3 terrorists have been gunned down. And even as we speak, the operation is still underway as forces are going all out to avenge the terror attacks in the valley. Let's go across to Gursimran. He's joining us live right now. Gursimran, a successful anti-terror operation by the forces. But once again, take us through the details of what is known about these slain terrorists who have been gunned down in Doda, and also about the anti-terror operations which continue across the valley.
Good morning, Samiksha and Shivangi, and right now we are in Doda. 3 terrorists have been neutralized in yesterday's operation by the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the Indian Army and the paramilitary forces, and these 3 terrorists were Pakistani terrorists of Jaish-e-Mohammed, including the 2 commanders of Jaish, from whose possession 2 M4 carbines have been recovered. Right now we are reporting from the Doda, where the security has been beefed up as the anti-terror operations have been intensified. The special operations group of the Jammu and Kashmir police, they are carrying out relentless operation in the area so as to eliminate the terrorists that are still active in the area. 3 to 4 is the number of group of terrorists that are still active in the Doda as per the ADG Jammu zone, Anand Jain. The upper reaches of the Doda, they have been entirely cordoned by the special operations group. The ADG of the Jammu, the senior most officer, is camping in Doda today so as to monitor the ongoing anti-terror operations, and the senior officers including the DIG and the SSP, they are also at the spot. The operations are underway in the Gando as well as in the Chhatargala area of the Doda district, where these terrorists are believed to have been active in the area. The terrorists that have been killed yesterday were carrying a huge cache of arms and ammunition that includes 2 M4 carbine rifles that are given to the Jaish commanders by the Jaish leadership, along with the AK-47 rifles, 6 grenades, 8 magazines, and a huge cache of arms and ammunition that also include the steel-piercing bullets and the Pakistani-made medicines that they were carrying, and the eatables, which clearly exposes the Pakistan's hands that how Pakistan is pushing a large number of terrorists into the Indian territory. As per the ADG Jammu zone, there are 6 to 7 group of terrorists that are active in the Jammu zone. That might go, the number might go from 20 to 35. That means the Pakistani terrorist number in Jammu region is the ever highest, and this is a security concern because we are less than 24 hours to the Amarnath Yatra, Samiksha, and Amarnath Yatra has always been on the radar of the terror group to destabilize it, and that's why this operation 48 hours prior to Amarnath Yatra comes as a big success. And as we speak, the relentless operations are underway to neutralize the group of Pakistani terrorists that has managed to sneak into the Indian territory. But the commendable work and the meticulous planning of the yesterday's operation that has been done by the DKR range has shown some result, at least one of the successful operations in 2024 for the Jammu and Kashmir police, that without any collateral damage they managed to bring down 3 terrorists, including the 2 top Jaish commanders.
All right, Gursimran, thank you for the moment. Also a matter of concern that infiltrations have been on the rise lately. In fact, let's take a look at this report which encapsulates details of the anti-terror operations, specifically in Doda, where 3 terrorists have been gunned down.
The Indian security forces continue to give it back to Pakistani terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. Amid the ongoing search and cordon operations in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda, 3 Pakistani terrorists were neutralized by our brave Jawans. Jawans recovered 3 weapons from the neutralized Pak terrorists, which include a US-made M4 carbine rifle.
These brave hearts of the special operations group, they decided that the terrorists will be neutralized, and they carried out the relentless operations for the 13 days, which led to recovery of these 3 rifles that includes 2 M4 carbine, the US-made M4 carbine, and 1 is the AK rifle that they have recovered from the Pakistani terrorist. Along with this, a huge cache of arms and ammunition has been recovered from these terrorists that also include these steel bullets that can pierce into the bulletproof jackets as well as the bulletproof helmets as well.
The operation to eliminate the terrorists began at 9 a.m. yesterday. All the three eliminated terrorists belong to the same group that attacked the Jammu and Kashmir police personnel in Gando on June 12th. The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is on high alert since Pakistan's cowardly attack in Riyasi that killed 9 Hindu pilgrims. Since then, the anti-terror operations have only intensified to thwart any bid by Pakistan to infiltrate and unleash terror. With the ongoing encounter and anti-terror operations, one thing is crystal clear. India will not remain quiet to Pakistan-sponsored terror anymore.
In one of the most successful operations in last 1 decade in the Jammu region, the Special Operations Group of the Jammu and Kashmir Police has neutralized 2 Jaish commanders along with 1 other Jaish terrorist and have recovered a huge cache of arms and ammunition. In total, 3 terrorists have been neutralized by the Special Operations Group in the operation that they have carried out, and right now we are showing you the visuals of the recovery that they have done from these Pakistani terrorists.